Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Again we are on the same topic nutrition. This is the list of Cambridge contents of the chapter. This is the Cambridge exam pattern. Next topic is lipids. These are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, but their ratios are different from that of the carbohydrates. One fat molecule is made up of a glycerol unit and three molecules of fatty acid. There are two types of lipids, saturated fats and unsaturated fats. First one is found mainly in animals and it forms the straight chains, and most saturated fats are solid at room temperature. You can see in the diagram. Unsaturated fats are mainly in vegetables and they form the band structures, and most unsaturated fats are liquids at room temperature. Function of fat are, these are the food reserves, these are used for energy supply, these are for protection of vital organs, these are used for insulation, and many vitamins are also fat soluble and they are a good source of water. Next is what is roughage or the fiber. Although the fibers are not even absorbed by the body, they are a very important nutrient in our diet, and they are mostly cellulose, which is a substance that makes up the cell wall of the plant we eat. We humans have no enzyme that could digest the cellulose. That means that the roughages enter the bodies from the mouth, go through the digestive system and out through the anus unchanged. But as it goes through the digestive system, roughages take space in the gut to give the gut muscles something to push against. This process of pushing the food through the gut is called the peristalsis. And without them, the peristalsis is very slow and weak. Quick and strong peristalsis means that food stays in the alimentary canal for a shorter period, and this prevents the harmful chemicals of certain foods from changing the DNA of the and it causing the for DNA of the cells, and it prevent the causing cancer. So refugees also help stay away from the cancer, and they are found in leafy vegetables. Next is water. Water, about 70% of your weight is water, and water is perhaps a very essential nutrient we should take in. And the functions of water include as a solvent, in which reactants of metabolic reactions are dissolved in. It makes up most of the blood plasma, which red blood cells, nutrients, hormones, and other materials are carried in. It helps in lowering the body temperature in hot conditions by secreting it as sweat on the skin. The sweat evaporates using the heat energy from the body, thus lowering the temperature. The next one is vitamins. Two vitamins are included in your contents. One is the vitamin C. Source is fruits and vegetables, and the function is general good health, healthy gums, and healthy healing the wounds. Deficiency will lead to scurvy and delayed healing. And you can see that what is the scurvy. You can see in the diagram there is a person which is suffering from the loss of teeth. It has the pale skin and it has uh, sunken eyes. The vitamin C is found in many fruits. You can see in the diagram. The next one is vitamin G. Its function is essential for the proper absorption and utilization of calcium and phosphorus to produce the normal healthy bones. Deficiency signs, retarded growth, and misshapen bones, which is called the misshapen bones, which is called the rickets, and lameness and osteoporosis. Actually, in rickets, the bones are misshaped; they are bent, especially on the points where the weight is exerting, and the sources are the whole milk and the sun cured haze and other things are also there. Direct sunlight is also very important. So this is for the vitamin D. In minerals, uh, two minerals are in your content. One is the calcium, other is the iron. Calcium, its sources are dairy products, fortified white bread, and oily fish, green vegetables, nuts and seeds. Citrus fruits are there. Function is teeth and bones, healthy teeth and bones, to reduce the blood clotting, nerves and muscle contraction, and heart regulation. Blood clotting is also an important factor. And deficiency is stunted growth, can cause the rickets and osteoporosis. Iron, its sources are red meat, kidney, liver, egg, bread, green vegetables, and the functions are production of hemoglobin in the red blood cells to carry the oxygen in the blood, and deficiency will cause the anemia.